All right, y'all, listen. I'm gonna get straight to it. What's going on? My name is Coach Tony Barnes. I'm the owner of Coach TNT LLC, also the owner of DNT Financial, where we help startup trucking businesses get funded. All right, so that's really exciting, but that's not what I'm here for. All right, I'm gonna give you guys some steps to get started in the box truck business. All right, you guys know this is a very lucrative industry. I'm sure y'all have done a lot of research on it. YouTube, Google are gonna be your friends, and so I'm gonna get straight to it. Like I said, the first thing you need to do to start a box truck business, y'all, is get your LLC. All right, get your business set up, get your entity together, get registered with your LLC, with your state, and then go get your EIN. Also, while you grabbing your EIN, grab your Dun & Bradstreet number if you're gonna be looking to build business credit. All right, from www.dnb.com, Dun & Bradstreet. But get your EIN, get your LLC from the state, get the EIN from the IRS. All right, and number 3, all right, get you a business bank account. All right, there's 2 kind of school of thoughts to it. You can go with a credit union, local credit union, or even like a big credit union, but or you can go with like a major bank. Some of the perks of having like major banks is you can access them at like pretty much every state. Going with credit union, they usually have better rates. So but you do need a business bank account. So we got the LLC, we got the EIN. Like I said, you can grab your DUNS number while you at it. Next thing, all right, get a DOT physical, all right, or have your driver get a DOT physical. All right, go on Google and search DOT physical, all right, and you will find a bunch of like urgent care clinics in your area that do them. They're like $50-$75, but that's required to be on the road. So if you ever get stopped, they will ask you for your medical card. It's super simple. I think there's like a drug test part. You don't even have to do that in box trucking. You will if you had a semi, but you don't have to do it in box trucking. So got DOT physical. Now let's get your authority. All right, and at this point you want to figure out what type of how you're gonna own the truck. So are you doing like renting / leasing, or are you buying a truck? You want to get your own authority. You can go to fmcsa.gov. All right, the Federal Motor Carriers. Go to FMCSA, and you can apply for your own operating authority. It takes like 21 days to vet it. It's kind of, I'd recommend doing that with, at least, do some research for it. But if not, have somebody with an active operating authority that could potentially help you with that. All right, after you get your authority applied for, while you're in that vetting period, you want to get your insurance. All right, you will need insurance for your authority to go active. All right, you will need insurance for your authority to go active. All right, and now you got your insurance, you got the truck, you got your authority active. All right, next you want to go get a UCR. All right, UCR, Unified Carrier Registry. Go straight to ucr.gov. All right, and you can fill out that. It's like $20, but you need that to go active as well. And then the last step you will need to get active is your BOC3. All right, your BOC3. So you'll need a certified processing agency to process your BOC3. All right, and so once you have all of those things, guys, you literally can start a box truck business. All right, and so guys, and I know that was a lot. I kind of gave it to you fast, but listen, don't worry, we do mentorship. We can help you. All right, you go to my website, it'll be in the comments, www.coachtonybarnes.com. All right, we got packages as low as like $400 where we'll help you set up all this. Now I know simple and plain. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, here's some things you're gonna need in your truck. All right, go and grab you some a pallet jack. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Go to your marketplace, your Facebook marketplace. Grab you a pallet jack. $150, $200. All right, get you a good used one, or if you're building your business credit, you can get one with Uline, and you can pay it back over time. But you will need a pallet jack. Go to Walmart and get you some straps. All right, go to Walmart and get you some straps. All right, and then also get you a pack of paper logs, all right, from a truck stop, and order you an electronic log device, a ELD. All right, electronic log device. Type that in Google. You see what I'm talking about. Keep Trucking is one of the more popular ones. All right, but listen, I just gave y'all 5 minutes. 5 minutes on what you need to do to get started to building a box truck. I mean, to build a successful box truck business. So like I said, every month we do mentorship classes. All right, we do mentorship classes, trucking, we call trucking master class, and we take all our students and we put them in a and we connect, we network with you guys, help you guys build up, build your business, and we even got students that run under our authority. And so if you need a big boost, you need a hand up, you want to get poured into the game, jump in that master class, or if not, you can take these steps. Grab your truck and get rolling, guys. But listen, if you're looking at this video, if you're thinking about it, man, listen, do it. All right, do it. The box truck game, it ain't slowing down no time soon. Trucking is an $11 billion annual industry, and there's plenty of money in here. So if you're thinking about doing it, listen, you come to the right place. Knock out those steps I just listed. Get you a box truck and let's get rolling.